Let's see how much frustration the stream can cause us today, you know. Good morning, everybody. Jane, good morning. Nahul, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Virus and Thrust. Before the market opened, Chris, well done. Congratulations. Wings, good morning. Rita, good morning. River, good morning. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me for now? Like, is it okay? Cause I can tell like the I can tell we're not gonna be anyways, for now it's working though. So that's good. Let me know if you can hear me okay though. Still. Yes, sir. Good. We can okay, you can to start so far? Okay, good. Good, good, good. Cause you know how you have three bars? Like I don't know. Well maybe like I usually have three streaming bars. So one is lowest quality and then three is good quality. It's sitting at one right now. So that's usually when you start having problems. And the entire neighborhood is complaining about the internet being down. So it's not just me; it's everybody else, which is good, which is a good thing, you know. Anyways, good morning, Seven. Good morning, just chilling. Good morning, Andrew. Alan. Good morning, Ao. Jericho. Stay green, not greedy, please. Good morning, Virus and Thrust. Good morning, Christina. Thanks for the membership. I was able to make 60% on with Rhyme. Let's go. Well done. Congratulations. Give me a high five. There you go. So yeah, right. Your membership is paid for, and you just became a member yesterday. So for those of you guys that are wondering, like, oh my god, but like, why? Yeah, that's why. T Robot, good morning. Is it the play? Yeah, it's up here. It's one of the plays we're looking at. It sold off and bounced off a beautiful demand zone, 18 cents ish, and now it's failing in that supply area, right? So, but it does look good though. XTIA looks good. FUBO actually did really well. Like running last night, right? Did really really well. So I kind of don't know what if it's gonna continue running today. With that 6% gap up, but who knows? We'll see at the open. Alrighty, CM. Good morning, Justin. Good morning. Good morning. If I haven't said good morning to you, high five, Max. High five. FGCV. Good morning. AO. Good morning. So I think going into the open for now, as I switch back and forth, top three names going into the open. HOTH would be one of them. I need to pull up INVZ before I say stuff. INVZ because I really haven't looked at that one this morning, but um, I know that it looks interesting. Just waiting for it to load. You can tell how slow it is too. $10. Newlin. Ayo, good morning again. Sean, good morning. Archer, good morning. Be Will, good morning. Back in the chair. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I was tempted to stream in Discord today because I was having issues, and then I remembered like virus would come find me. So then it's like, okay, you know what? INVZ looks like it's on the verge of like potentially breaking out, but it needs to break above a dollar 275. So until it does that, I would be a bit more cautious. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. CERO is another nice one that has a lot of hype for some reason, but it seems like more of a gamble play though, like a gamble penny stock. So yeah, yeah, yeah. And then XTIA. The S&P is gapping up this morning. Hopefully, it actually has followed through today, not just the stupid pump and dumps. Kind of over that. But number one on the list, though, number one on the list is to HOTH. All the other names have a level of like susness to them. HOTH kind of seems like the number one stock now going into the open. La 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 la. Perfect. Perfect. The merger. I saw the merger news. Are you in a position? Let me know. I don't know if I want to take any trades today. If this is because I'm gonna be in a trade and then all of a sudden it's gonna be like you cannot sell. Thanks, Captain. Any hype on HOTH or just volume? No, they had a catalyst, and it does have the volume, and it should have the hype because it's up 120% spent. So it does look good. Again, if you bought it closer to $1.50, you're fine, right? If you're looking for an entry right now in the supply zone, you're asking for problems, right? Because it has resistance between 190 and $2. So that those last two candles failed at 188. But yeah, Nvidia's cooking. Those guys just want to run the entire, Yeah, virus. Yeah, that 97. I think we looked at that 97 yesterday on the daily, right? So ski too if I have to. Let's go. Yeah, so HOTH does look good. Again, congratulations if you got in closer to $1.50. La 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 la. Okay, sounds good. Okay, I'm just looking at some of these other names. Question for you guys going into the open though. What's your favorite stonk going into the open? Lizzie, good morning. Cheddar, good morning. Onions, good morning. After onions, I think that's a good plan. Yeah, I think that's a good plan. When you're struggling, just paper trade, right? Regain confidence and then come back with smaller positions. So again, HOTH, our number one name going into the open, but it might be different for you guys. So let me know. Firepoke, good morning. Hello. Troy, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Off to a great start. I love it. Love it. Love it. Why? Why virus? INVZ for you, Patricia. Okay. It does look good. So you can clearly see that resistance at 275. So it does need to break above that. Ayo. Azul, good morning. Good morning. So IMVZ again, 275 resistance. CERO penny stock, just something to watch for momentum as the day goes on. RIME looks interesting too, so we can talk about that at some point. IMRX is coming back to retest that 200 EMA at 390-ish, 390 to 388. So let's see if it stays above that. IMRX. XTIA, maybe we get a sell off into the open and then pump. So we're gonna keep an eye on that one too. But for now though, it's still eight HOTH. Most profitable day. Yeah. There's a stupid space company, and it was options. Cause I went in heavy. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Nasir, good morning. Carry on, good morning. Almost hit your daily goal with XTIA. Love it, carry on. Congratulations. Made good gains last night in after hours too. Squid games and gains. Love it. That kind of just moved like the market was open, but no, it's just another trading view glitch. Just another trading view glitch. Yeah. So again, HOTH for now. The only problem with this one is that it's at resistance, right? So that 190 to $2 is your main resistance. The entry was closer to $1.50, right? Um, Quite a few people were getting in HOTH in Discord closer to this bottom area, right? So if you got in there, you're nice and green. Now you just have to decide: you get rid of that position because it's at resistance, because the market open is coming, or do you just give it a second, right? That's the decision you're having to make now. Christina, what's your question for FUBO? Let me know. If you have a question, please let me know what the question actually is. Otherwise, I do not know. I do not know what the Petros, PTPI. Yeah. Yeah. LAES. That thing seems to always want to run at some point. What happened, Pablo? What happened? Okay, there we go. Ayo, AK. No, I haven't looked at MU virus. I'm trying not to open too many tabs. I'm trying. Even my broker is so slow. Just ridiculous. Ridiculous. But no, it seems to be working okay for now though. So let's push it as far as we can, and then go from there. Let me know if you have any stream glitches, any issues, and then no, I'm trading in a hoodie. That's what I'm doing. Spy looks weak. No, I think like Virus mentioned earlier, Spy just went to resistance and then failed, right? So that 597, you can call it 597, 597.20, right? So this resistance there, I would not be calling this weak though. Just because we've shown a lot of strength coming into the open, this is the first time we found some resistance at the main resistance level. So I would want to see what this thing does at the open, Archer. If it breaks above that level, and then okay, cool, we can start looking for 98, 99.6. For now though, again, I would want to at least see what happens, what it does at the open, before I make that call. But again, there's resistance there though at 597. So good morning, Monty. Can I look at MSAI? Yes, I can. And then I'll look at MU too. I'll do that first. I will do that first. MU. Yeah, Luna was still a good swing into next month. Would you be? I'll take a look, Nosotros. Yeah, Luna was beautiful. Dan, good morning. Was beautiful when it came back and retested $10 because that thing is doubled from that price. Alan, do you remember? Remember that? I sent it to you, Alan. I privately sent it to you as a swing. So yeah, MU looks nice actually. Back to 104. It's about time. Why did it gap up like that, though, Virus? It's actually quite nice. Then there's a lot of resistance at 105, 105.20 it seems. Very nice though. Yeah. Christina, are you in the position though? Let me know. Let me know, please, if you're in a position. So MSAR, you're looking for an entry into this one, AK? The entry is zero. I'm kidding. So yeah, these guys had news this morning as well. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's below the 200 EMA. You guys know how we feel about the stock being below the 200 EMA, right? Kind of don't like that. But the only thing that might be going for you here though is that you're going into the open. Usually when stocks are selling off into the open, you can have that bounce when the market opens. So if this was something that I was interested in, I mean, it kind of looks like it's sitting at a double bottom, doesn't it? Right? So you have a whole bunch of wicks at like 325. So 320, 325, that might be a level for you. But if it's breaking below that level, you want to be very careful because it's already weak, right? That thing was all the way up there at like what, $5.30, and it's been selling off, selling, selling, selling. So it does seem like it's looking for a bit of support because this is the third time it's testing it, but it's also very dangerous. So um Grand Rising, ayo, Rapaholic TV. Let's go. So yeah, watch that level. Just be careful though, right? AK again, it's below the 200 EMA. Christina, you're gonna have to let me know though, right? So you're in a position, you're wondering what the position is doing. What are you in at? I just need some details. Otherwise, we're gonna be going back and forth. Alrighty. You're welcome, AK. So again, we open in 4 minutes, guys. In terms of like the names we are looking at going into the open, let me pull up the pre-market gainers list really quickly. While that's loading, I'm going to look at the markets overall. So again, looking at the S&P and BTC, if I can find the right tab. Bitcoin looks okay, right? It's still consolidating and playing above $100,000, which I don't think anybody's really concerned about, right? And then the S&P needs to break above that 97.20, right? Or just again break above that little resistance, and then we're cooking. Alrighty, so that's the market overall. And then in terms of like gainers this morning, most of these names do have catalysts. I don't really care to look at those catalysts because they've all been posted in discords, right? So we'll be paying attention to some of these names, right? XTI, HOTH, blah 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 blah. Not all of them will obviously run after the market opens. In terms of favorites, like I mentioned earlier, right? HOTH is one of them. So we're going to be paying attention to HOTH. Ayo, Grim, the Aussie goats. Grim and I, well, I mean, anyways. Grim and I had a one-on-one yesterday, and we spent a lot of time talking rubbish. Rhyme, yeah. RIME is the one that's actually looking like it wants to push at the open. Your next resistance is 2650, right where that VWAP is sitting at. So it's bouncing off the demand zone, the 200 EMA, but it needs to break above that VWAP. Let's go, Grim. Make monies. Make monies. Alrighty, so that looks interesting. So, and then XTI also looks interesting. Your last high on this one is 2220, so we need to break above that and then push into that supply zone. Alrighty, so we have 2 minutes. 2 minutes and is the open, and then we can go. I'm gonna pull up INVZ actually on this chart. INVZ. So yeah, it looks like we're still playing with that 275 for INVZ. So it needs to break and close above that level. Alrighty. I'm gonna leave the charts on HOTH though, just because we might actually get a bit of a sell off closer to $1.50 just because it looks that way, and then bounce from there. 2 minutes, Pensa. 2 minutes. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Right, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty. So today, honestly, again, I think the last few weeks, ending the year and starting the year, were really nice. This week seems a bit sus. I don't know if it's because the market is closed on Thursday, or if it's because, like, I don't know. Anybody feel that same way? This week seems like you want to make your monies and run away. Well, maybe with the exception of FUBO, but so FUBO. Speaking of which, I might as well just pull it up because I know people are going to be asking at the open, what's FUBO doing? Well, FUBO's right there. Make the cash and dip wings. Absolutely. Probably taking you're taking today off fire race. Where are you going, to the woods? Oh, here goes the S&P, guys, right? So this is Archer, right? So not weak at all, right? So you always want, especially when the trend has been pushing up like that, you don't want to make that judgment call like really close to the open like that, because it could just break and say thanks for coming. So yeah, the markets look good. HOTH looks like it came back to that level that we talked about, right? Closer to that 150, because that's usually what they do at the open, right? So let's see if we can stay above that 150 for HOTH and then go from there. Make sure my broker's working, because these idiots. Yup. Yep. Why would it be working? Why? Why would it work when it's supposed to work? Unbelievable. We're sorry, the system is unavailable. Service will be restored soon. Please try again later. Are you kidding me? Kidding me? When 51st state? I'm kidding. I kidding. Anyways. So yeah, for HOTH guys, watch for that retracement closer to $1.50 and then pop, right? Which again, it looks like that's exactly what's happening here. So that into that demand zone and then a bounce, right? Let's see. Here we go. 176. Come on, push already. Push. 177. Push. Where's Grim Money's, guys? Kidding. Looking at some of the other names here, XTIA looks like it's also coming back closer to that demand zone. So watch for 19 cents to 18.50. See if we can stay above that. INVZ looks amazing though. I'm surprised they haven't halted this thing up yet. So INVZ with a very, very nice pop. So that looks good. FUBO is also kind of popping at the open. It's up 10% now. Up 10%. The 10%. Okay. Let's see if we if the GME is at $33 now. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see. Some of these are just here we go, guys. $1.80. So the only problem we have is whenever it approaches down 190, there seems to be a lot of resistance. Just because, again, you do have a supply zone up there, right? So that shouldn't be a big surprise to anybody, right? If you're looking for an entry, it's not close to that supply zone. It's closer to the demand zone always. So now We just have to wait and see if it actually finds a way to break out there. Grim, did you take monies on INVZ? Kind of looks like INVZ and FUBO are doing the exact same thing, huh? IMRX is still selling off. RIME is finding a bit of a base. It looks like at 23 cents. CERO not really doing much there. Not doing much at all. XTIA is looking good. 156%, 159%, 160%, 164%, 165, and we're off to the races. Come on. Anyways, so beautiful retest of that demand zone, right? That 19 and then pop. So that looks good there. That looks good. Okay. And then there goes HOTH. That supply zone again. Red means no go. No go. Interesting. Yeah, this morning looks like it's a morning for scalpies. It's a scalpy morning. Yeah, kind of looks like it, Grim. And my broker is still being super slow. So I think I'm going to slack with the trades today before I get destroyed. Before I get entered. Let me pull up GME. Before Azul comes talks about my rash. GME does look good. It does look really good. Yeah, that entry for GME. And that entry for GME closer to those 20s, Azul, beautiful. Beautiful. FUBO does look really good, guys. Again, your next resistance for FUBO is $5.85. Alrighty, so that's your last double top that you have, triple top, whatever you want to call it. It's resistance. 585 for FUBO. So if you're looking for an entry, that spot is not it, especially close to the open here, and it's dipping again. So, but it does look good though. Um, and again, we talked about this as a multi-day swing, right? So it shouldn't be a massive surprise that the stock is doing well today. It's up to another 12%, so not bad at all. Alrighty. XTI is still sitting in that supply zone, so I would be a bit more cautious there. And let's see if we can find a way to consolidate. If you look at HOTH, you look to the left hand side in pre-market when you guys were getting in Discord. This was the same zone, right, between that 150 and 145 for HOTH. So it would be nice to see this thing consolidate in this range here, right? So would be nice if some volume came in. So 145 to 150 here. If we can stay above that, that might create a nice little demand zone. Well, it has a nice little double bottom and then a curl to the upside. So, yup. And if you're just not feeling the markets today, give it a second, right? Let's consolidate a little bit. Okay. Two. There you go. My goodness, so slow. Come on, give us the bounce, HOTH. Give us the bounce. Don't make us go find grim monies, please. What's SPY doing? Yep, pumping dumpskis. But this is the initial sell-off at the open, though. So let's see if that thing can find a way. Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing, so also dipping, right? Same. Here goes the HOTH, guys. Anybody buy the dip on HOTH? You sold it? Why, brother? Why? So 170, here we go. Waiting to rebuy at 150. Okay. Sounds good. I hope we don't see 150 again because we need to be cooking. Like, there we go, guys. There we go. The monster has come. Here we go. So Beautiful, beautiful double bottom bounce there, right? You bought at the high, Zach. Well, you should be back to break even now, at least, right? I love it, Grim. I love it. Anyway, so again, that same resistance is still there, right? We have the same support, right? But we have also have the same resistance. So that thing needs to break, break, break. And then you just have to decide, Zach, right? You bought at the highs, you bought at resistance, you bought in the supply zone, which you shouldn't be doing. Now you have to decide, you stay or do you go? Should I stay or should I go? Do, right? So same resistance there. So again, if you bought that bottom, you're happy, right? Now you just have to decide: do you take profits or do you give it a second? See if we can break above that supply. Alrighty. I need to switch where this tab is sitting because I kind of don't like it there. Okay, and then XTI, yeah, that thing looks like it's getting destroyed there. Once I sell it, it holds up. So you're telling me if it sells, it's good. If you sell, it's gonna halt up, Zach. Come on, do us a favor. I'm kidding, by the way. Now, you want to make sure you protect your monies, though, right? You are Grim. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you want to make sure that you protect your monies. It looks like it wants to break out, like it really wants to break out. I like when its stock is constantly retesting those highs because to me it feels like it's gonna go at some point, right? Just like when you're constantly testing support, eventually it's gonna break down. So same thing when it's pushing on the way up, right? So, but again, you have to make that decision though and then say, you know what, like I got in at 180 and it went to 140 something. I don't want to go all the way back down there again, so I'm going to use a stop loss, right? Fubo just destroyed $6. My goodness, Fubo has been moving like it doesn't know it's a massive float. It's been moving like it's a 20 million share float stock, which is a good thing. So, is anybody still swinging Fubo? Type in yes in the chat. Ayo, good morning. Anybody still swinging the Fubo? Type in yes in the chat because I know quite a few of you guys are still swinging that. So that looks good. And there goes 610. Azul, yes. Very nice. Yes on Fubo. Yeah, I like it. Getty. Hmm. PTPI doesn't look bad either, though, does it? But then you bought for a quick buck. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. And then you can clearly see though, right? HOTH, for some reason, it doesn't quite seem like it wants to break out yet. Not quite yet, but we'll see. Why you do this, Grim? That is a good question. That is a very good question. At least it's still holding above that support though. Fubo swing KC, congratulations, guys. Yeah. Yep. There goes 25%. So that thing opened at like 10, 12%, and now it's up 25%. So that's not bad at all. Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. There you go. And then HOTH, yeah, right back into that demand zone again. So hopefully it stays above that demand zone, but that's what I mean, right? So like the chart for this one is obvious that it's going from support to resistance. You just have to, like when it's at resistance like that, you just have to like make a decision and say, I hope that it breaks out, right? But it doesn't always happen. So um, especially if people are selling it at that level. So we'll see what it does, see if we can bounce again off that demand zone and then go. Palantir discounts in the markets. Okay, let's see. Should I stay or should I go? Yeah, my stuff's too slow today. Otherwise, you're going to stress eat, Grim. Yeah. No, it needs to find a way to really consolidate because that's not exactly what you want to be seeing there. GME is bouncing back up again, Azul, off the 200 EMA, so that's good. So that is good. The S&P is still dipping. No bounce at all after that dip. Zero. Bitcoin, on the other hand, though, has bounced off $100,000, but SPY is showing a lot of weakness. So 97 is a big problem for the S&P. A big problem. So HOTH needs to behave here. Like now. Palantir. You did? D? Let's go. Quick money's in and out. Just waiting for the chart to load here. 73. That's not bad. All-time high at 85. I think it's selling up because of the article you posted. Something about Palantir being dropping 25% for the year. Yeah. Yeah, 73. Yeah. Good morning, D. Good morning. Do. Good morning. Come on, HOTH. Yeah, it's doing a really good job of holding that demand zone down. So maybe one of these candles will give us a fat green pump. That made the no. So an article. The article was from one of the big banks saying they wanted to see Palantir drop 25%, or at least that was their expectation. That was the expectation from them. So Palantir. 19 cents. And Bitcoin pop, and SPY is retesting that 97 again. So now this is it's a we close, and then I think we have a problem. We continue to deep skis. See what I mean though? Like today, just like this today just seemed like it was set up to be a sus day, right? Just a sus day. The only thing that looks good is the same stock that looked good yesterday, FUBO, right? As a swing play. But it's 21%. It's not the usual 100%, 200% plays, But that's okay because we've had some amazing weeks, and maybe the market just needs a breather. A breather. Yeah, probably virus. Grim. Okay, fine. Yeah, AMD. AMD is gonna be cooking in 2025. Cooking in 2025. Hmm. Unbelievable. Perfect. We need a gem, guys. We need a gem. We need something to cook. Come on, HOTH. Nothing else is cooking. Like just cook, Just go in the kitchen and start cooking. There's nothing else pumping. Take advantage of it. La 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 la. Line. Yeah. Let me pull it up here. Getty Images. Let's see if we can break above that high that we opened at. Right. So $3.80 line, and then the volume will come in after that. Then the volume will come in after that. I think so too, Grim. I think so too. But now it's just sitting there waiting for the volume to come to the upside. Right. So here we go. We're back above 170 and right back below. But this candle's looking very promising though. 173. You can do it. You can do it. 172. 73. My goodness. Who's holding this back? You're in at 385. Jeff? Okay, I'll take a look. I would take a look in a second. I just want to see what this candle does here because it looks very promising. 175, 176. Yeah, you can see like the candle push and then it sells up in the same candle. Right? LiDAR will? Okay, I'll take a look. Well done, D. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, the play today is clearly is quick scalpies. To provide cannabis to Luxembourg. Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised though. Like nothing, like in the election, nothing had to do with like cannabis. Like nobody was interested in. So that just tells me that nothing is coming anytime soon for the cannabis stocks. Nothing is coming anytime soon. Rhyme is still looking okay, isn't it? Rhyme really needs to break out though. Like it needs to break above that VWAP, and then it might actually start to push. But something to keep an eye on. Okay, Jeff. So your question was you got rid of HOVR. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so rich tech is what you're looking for. And you're in at $3.85. Your question is your next resistance. Okay, let me take a look, Jeff. It looks really nice, right? These robotic stocks have clearly done well. Um, this daily chart also looks really nice, actually. Very, very nice, nice and consistent. The high yesterday was all the way up to $5.20. I don't think I'd be looking for that as your next resistance, though. So let me pull up a different time frame. Super slow. Yeah, even on the kind of looks like it's the obvious level. So your next level is $4.30, Jeff. Right. So right to the top of these wicks right there. Right. And then after that, you're looking all the way to like that 450. So that's 450 right there yesterday. Right. That's 450 in pre-market, and but you need to break above these levels first, though. Right. Like these levels right there, like around $4.30, and then okay, cool. Right. Then you can look for that 450. But it does look really good. So you have a really nice entry on that. The runners are not running this morning, Grim. What is happening? The runners are not running. Well, maybe Rich Tech is gonna do a runny thing though. But yeah, so Jeff, hopefully that yeah. VLCN. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, you can kind of see that supply zone there too, Jeff, which is funny, right? That supply zone we just looked at on the bigger time frame. When we come to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that it's a massive supply zone because even the algo is insured because it's a whole like 20 cent range, right? 430 and then 450, and then HOTH is like, let me come back down and retest the bottoms again. Let me come back down, right? So the runners don't want to run today. The runners are not running. So we'll see. I mean, again, if it can come back down closer to the bottom of that 150 and consolidate, that's not a horrible thing. But a lot of weakness, a lot of weakness. Do, 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 do. So the good thing is that it's still holding that demand zone for now. And there it goes back above 160. So still holding the bottom of the range. Do, do, do. Looks like Getty. Getty looks like it wants to break out the line, doesn't it? So yeah, 385 is still your next resistance though. You took some Rhyme. Yeah, Rhyme looked interesting. 2350. Yeah, it does look interesting. It just needs to break out. Just needs to break out and then go on skis. But for now, it's not quite doing it yet because you have that supply zone at the top, right above 25 cents. But it does need to break out though. And Getty failed at that same resistance again, Lion. $3.85. And then FUBO is coming back for a retest. And Ram is giving the deep skis. This one is just sitting here, XTI. Yeah. So 17 to 18. And then the S&P is still looking okay for now. So the S&P is really trying to break. So, but it really needs to hold those candles down. Do 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 do. I'm just looking. I'm just looking here to see if there's anything else. See if there's anything else. At the bottom of the range. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it's really fighting for some reason. It just doesn't have the volume yet, but we clearly know where that support is at though for this thing. Yeah, one more try. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. 30 million for RIME. There goes RIME with the dip and the pop, right? So yeah, this one clearly looks like it wants to do something here, especially if it can break out for us. If it can do the breakout dance, then Grim is going to be smiling. Is Grim? Okay, sounds good. HOTH. That makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense. Idiots. Idiots. They don't want us to win. Come on now. Something needs to push. Lighter actually did really well, huh? Interesting. There goes 25 cents. Never know. Yeah, I hope the shorts get cooked. I hope they get entered. But they're doing a good job of holding it down though. They are doing a good job of holding it down. So is that a penny stock? Handy neighbor? Kind of seemed like it would be a penny stock. I think we were paying too much attention to FUBO yesterday that we didn't really care about anything else. Here we go, RIME. At least RIME wants to give monies though. RIME is like, let me cook, guys. I cook for you. And I wash the dishes too. Forget about HOTH. Come on, breakouts, breakouts. Go, 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 go. You can do it. There goes 26, guys. Ooh, rhymes. Rhyme is like, I'm going to cook for you and I'm going to sing for you. And then do the dishes. Go, go, go. There goes 27.30. Ooh, wee monies. Ooh, wee monies. Ooh, wee monies. Five. Okay, sounds good. Do, 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 do. Ooh, wee monies. But yeah, so now we need to find a way to close these candles above that 26.50 though, because that's where that VWAP is sitting at. ZVWAP and then HOTH just keeps again same rubbish, right? Up down up down up down. That thing needs to start pumping at some point. Otherwise, we're gonna go back and retest some low levels. Where's that grim monies? That grim monies needs to fight the shorts. Is it actually? My goodness. Yeah, it's sitting right there. Right there. Wanting violence, he. That's what it wants. Okay, let's go back to RIME because RIME actually looks like the I am trying. We don't need trying. We need boomskis. I'm kidding. Yeah, RIME is done okay though. Would be nice if it gave us more. Something needs to go boom skis. We need that 100%. The 100% pump. It's a win-win. Yes, Grim. Yes, I like it. I like it. When $2 is the only question, huh? When $2. Yeah, so it looks like we're kind of holding the view up for now for RIME. And it's pushing for brand new highs. So RIME is looking really good. There we go, 28 cents. Keep going, RIME. Keep going. Okay. What is handyman? There we go. 28.50 new highs of the day. Yeah. Yeah, there goes 29 cents, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful RIME. RIME is like, you know what? You know what, guys? Nothing else go, I go. We like it, RIME. Keep going. Break 30 cents. Go, 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 go. Username test. Go, 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 go. There we go. HOTH. Ooh, wee. There we go. Money's at work. Just break out already. Breakout 72. Go, 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 go. It's gonna be RIME and HOTH. Those are gonna be the horses today, huh? Go, 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 guys. So 30 cents broken. See if we can stay above that 30 cents. Perfect. 30 cents broken. And the HOTH needs to break above that 75 as well. Right. So again, the only good thing about HOTH is we know where the bottom is at, right? And at any point, if you bought at this bottom, you're okay, right? Is even better. Okay, I take a look. I take a look. At any point, if you bought off the bottom, you've most likely had a scalp, right? So that's a good thing. Alrighty, and then RIME is looking amazing. So from breaking out or from closer to 23 cents, 22 to 31. So that thing's looking really really good. Uh, Christian, I know, right? Unbelievable. So I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna take a look, traders. I'll take a look at HCWC. I know you've been spamming that one for quite a bit. I've just been paying attention to other silly stuff. HCWC. Load, load, load. Load, load, load. My goodness. Shit. It's so slow, huh? That does look good, traders. What's your entry price on this one? What's your entry price? What is your entry price? Let me know. It does look good though. I think your next resistance is yeah, so you're kind of sitting right below it, so right below 160. So 160, 165. That's your next little resistance there, but it does look good. Um yeah. So here it goes. That thing's actually looking really nice. I think that's the no, not quite the highs of pre-market. I'm just waiting for this chart to load. Yeah, that thing was a lot higher. So $2 was the high in pre-market. So yeah, watch $1.65, $1.70. If we can close above $1.65 and 170 and hold, and then $2. For now, just be aware that that is resist. That's your next resistance, though, right? HOTH is looking way better now, right? Way better, way better. There goes 190, guys. Two, 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 two. Full ports and grim monies. What does that tell you? Big monies. Here we go. Here comes $2, guys. Boom skis. Yes. If you're holding HOTH, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding HOTH, type in yes. And what's the S&P doing? SPY is up. Damn, look at that, guys. Bitcoin is getting slapped. SPY is getting slapped. HOTH is getting entered by the shorts. Entered. Well, I mean, we're entering the shorts. Anyways, there goes $2. Okay. $2. Oh, there goes 215, guys. Looking good. Grim is just looking at the gains. He's looking at the gains, guys. There we go. 219, guys. Looking good. Again, 220 is the usual resistance level, though, so be careful. There you go. So 220 resistance. You just sold it, Patricia. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's go. Come on, Grim. Grim says, I think I needed a one-on-one yesterday to reset. Came back with 16K profits today. Time to sit back and watch the violence for a while. Let's go. Love you too, Grim. Thank you very much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. And it was really nice to chat with Grim because I think we have like a similar similar like similar background and similar uh, culture upbringing and stuff like that. So it was nice to connect and talk about the markets and talk about like growing up and other stuff. Grim had a really good chat. Probably my longest one-on-one to date. And thank you very much, Grim. $16,000 in profits for Grim today, guys. $16,000. Congratulations. Keep cooking. Keep cooking, my brother. Alrighty. You guys hear this roasting on stream, guys? You guys hear this rubbish? I'm getting roasted in the background because because funny. The double bottom. Okay. Yeah. If you made monies on HOTH though, guys, type in yes in the chat. Let's go. well, besties. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Virus says just say you're right and I'm wrong. No, Virus. We will fight. Jeffrey says, yes, I got in at 168 and out at 205. Well done, guys. Well done. $600 so far, D. More than what you make at work for multiple days, right? Love it. CM says 147, 181. Beautiful. Congratulations, guys, right? This was our favorite name for the most part. It was this and it was RIME, right? So RIME also ran and filled that resistance. So they both did really well. I mean, we're happy with that. We made monies so we can smile a little bit, right? And then move on to the next one. Just a little bit of a smile, not a big smile, because we could have done better. Anyways. Anyways. I mean, Grim did tell me to go all in. I didn't go all in though. So I. Yeah. Let's go, Grim. Teamwork, right? Teamwork, teamwork. Let me look at Getty. Um, I know Lion likes that one, and Yogi likes that one off the double bottom as well. So that's good. Yeah, that double bottom for Getty. Yeah, so off like 140. That's not bad at all. I don't know why my charts are not loading here, but all of this sassiness I'm getting in the background, unbelievable. Let's see. Um, Absolutely, Patricia. Absolutely. Absolutely. You know what I like about Grim, guys? Is is uh is you can tell, like Grim is genuinely a very a very nice person, just a genuine person with a good heart. You know, for the most part, that always like goes above everything else. So I like it. Yeah, good people, right? So yeah, absolutely, virus, absolutely. What's a good entry for Getty? I still feel like I want to see that thing consolidate a bit more and then curl. But above, like, so right between like 140 and 135 seems to be like a level. Um, you know. Wizard, what's your position for XTIA? Let me know, please, and I'll take a look. Let me know and I'll take a look. We mentioned earlier, right, traders, that HCWC had resistance at 165. Guess what, right? Right to the abyss. Um, yes. What did I say, what did I say, Yogi? What I meant was, so again, $3.40, $3 anywhere closer to $3.40 is what I was trying to say. If I said anything else, 250. Okay, sounds good. I said 140. Sorry, yeah. So 340 ish. That thing needs to curl though. It needs to kind of give you some curly candles. HOTH still looks okay. To me, what this looks like is it looks like a retest of the previous level, right? So HOTH, as much as we've scaled out and people have taken some gains out of this, right? It still looks like it's just a retest of the previous level. So that thing still looks really good, right? Looks really, really good still. So again, breakout and a retest. Cameroonian math. Oh, funny. Rhyme is looking amazing again, right? So congratulations if you're still in Rhyme, because that looks nice. That looks nice still. So we like what it's doing. Genesis, congratulations by the way. Genesis made $560 on HOTH, right? So monies. Love it. So again, teamwork, right? Teamwork, guys. Teamwork, right? Again, that thing looked really good. And this is what I mean. Like, you don't always have to, like rush into stuff right away. Sometimes just sit back and relax, guys, and let the levels become clear to you, right? Because for a name like this, the level was clear, right? It was anywhere close to $1.50. That was the entry for HOTH, right? And there will be times where you get into a stock and it has a like at a good level and it doesn't work out, but when it does work out, it pays you nicely, right? So beautiful. And the good thing about this one is when it did run, it ran like it really like it popped really quickly. So that's always a good thing. Ready? XTI, meh. Right? That thing looks nasty. You're in at 19 cents is what you said. Um, that thing breaking 17 cents is not a good thing because it broke below the bottom and it's below the 200. Again, I'm not a fan of stocks that are below the 200. The S&P looks like it's getting destroyed there, right? Bitcoin slapped as well. So damn, Bitcoin is at 98.4 now. My goodness. Shish. Sheesh. You know what's not looking weak at all? HOTH. That thing is like, you know what, guys? You guys knew I was number one today, right? Yeah, we did. HOTH. Yeah, we did. We knew you were number one. So, sound is getting trashed today. Yeah, trashed. Ayo Doche. Beautiful. Is anybody still holding HOTH, guys? Dang, I wish I didn't sell. That was a pretty sweet entry at the bottom here, wasn't it? Pretty sweet. So from $1.50, boom, 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 right? So all the way to $2.35. So really good retest. I like that, right? Really good technical chart. As much as it was frustrating earlier, it was also still looking like holding the level. And here we go, $2.40. 158, you're still holding. Okay, sounds good. 147 still holding. CM. Okay, very nice. Yeah, just be careful when it gets close to 250 like that. Alrighty. In HOTS stop set guaranteed $1,000 profits if it stops out. Ooh wee, $1,000 for the day D. Congratulations. Right? And then once you're done. And you made more monies than you would for quite a few days at work. So I love it. Here we go again. Retesting the highs of the day, HOTH. 43, 47, 50, and broken. Look at that thing go. So high of the day, $2.56. That is looking nice, isn't it? That is looking very nice. $2.50. Looking very nice. The Ronas are running now, Grim. 89, love it. The Ronas are running again. La na 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 na. Okay, perfect. 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 Today kind of looked a bit sus. Why are you running? Why are you running? Monies. There goes 257, new highs of the day. 260, new highs of the day. Ooh, wait, 268, 269. The shorts are getting entered. Entered. 269 times. I'm kidding. Anyways, 271. 227%, guys. So congratulations again if you're in this one, because that looks very nice. Very, very nice. Just make sure you pay yourself on the way up, please. Alrighty? Pay yourself on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up. Alrighty? Or at the very least, do what Yi is doing. Not D. I keep D is doing. Moving that stop loss up. Ready? Move that stop loss up, please. The shorts are getting entered. Paul? No, not you. Some other shorts. Right? Yeah. And I think we had ooh, we look at that, $23,000 for the day for Grim, guys. I mean, I couldn't miss it. I couldn't miss it. So again, if if let's see here. 273. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna use Grim's message as a as as a thing to tell you to upgrade your membership, right? So read Grim's message. If you're not a gold member, guys, if you're not a gold member and you're like, I struggling, oh my god, what can I do? I need to make monies, right? Become a gold member, guys. Start the year off right by becoming a gold member and get some one-on-ones. Alrighty? And cook like Grim. Well, maybe just a little bit. Already. So from $1.44 lows to $2.80 highs. So a very nice run on that one. Congratulations, guys. So again, if you're not a member at all, become a member. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. If you want to upgrade to GOAT, use the same link. Upgrades. Come join us. Alrighty. Yeah. Newland, you did not, I don't think, because your name is still white or gray in the chat. Your name is green when you're a member. If it's not, then you're not a member. Virus. Kangaroos. Barbecue kangaroos. Okay, let's take a look at this actually. I want to see what this other stonk is doing here. I want to see what he's doing. What he's doing. Oh, I see. Okay, never mind. That's a bit of a sus name. Also, that's it looks like we're stalling a bit there though, guys. So make sure you have a stop loss, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Uh hmm. Yeah, no, because I had an alert for DATS at the highs of the day, and it looks like it tapped it, but um that's the name that was getting pumped yesterday, right? DATS. DATS. Okay, perfect. We have a new member, guys. A new member. A new member. Welcome, Newland. Welcome to the Legends. Welcome, welcome. There should be an invite link for you, Newland, under the community section on YouTube. So just click on that link and it's going to take you to Discord, and then just follow the steps and it will help you connect. Already, welcome. So yeah, you can clearly see these candles also wicking and struggling up there. So make sure you're managing your position, please. Pretty please, pretty please. Hopefully you guys locked in some profits on RIME as well. XTI, meh, right? And then the S&P, that thing looks like it's garbage. So that 97 seems to be like a big problem, a big problem for SPY. Huge problem, huger than huge. Anyways, for now, HOTH. Let's see what we see. Let's see what we get. Okay. So it looks like DATS is cooking now too. Did anybody get into DATS, guys? Because it looks like that thing just hit highs of the day, not including pre-market, but not pre-market highs, but monster. Uh, do, do, do. There we go. Damn, Jeff, what did you do? Wow. Uh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, there we go. There goes Dats again, guys. Dats is like, yeah, I'm Dats, and I want to cook. Anyways, Dats looks good. HOTH is testing the highs of the day again, so that looks amazing. So 285, 288 at the highs of the day. So that looks very nice. This one is a monster as well. The technicals on this look really good. Look very good. Very good. Very good. Hmm. I like it. Uh, Carrie, I just became a member. Um, it doesn't show that you're a member yet. Your name has to be green in the chat. Jeff. Oh, you are. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Jeff. Hello, guys. Are you playing with anything this morning, Jeff? Teresa. I know I pronounced this name like wrong. It's because I grew up pronouncing this name a little bit differently. Someone laughed at me for pronouncing it that way, so I apologize. uh, but tell Jeff to become a member. Otherwise, we will come find him. He's missing out on monies because. Anyways, uh, landscapes. We have a new member, guys. Welcome. I'm just waiting for it to load here. Sheesh, my goodness, that thing is taking a sweet time. Sweet time. Unbelievable. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of resistance here at 280 for HOTH. So yeah, so again, landscapes, welcome to the community. Welcome home. Welcome home. Thank you, Virus. Welcome, welcome. Alrighty. For those of you guys becoming members, your invite link should be under the community section on YouTube. If you can't find it, just let me know. Just let me know, and I'll send you the link in the chat. Alrighty. Yeah. Sam Sport, what's your question for Dance? Dance looks good. You have resistance at 285 and then $3, but Dance looks really good, right? This thing was posted yesterday in Discord because of all the hype, and then potentially running into Trump getting into office, right? This is a Trump stock, so buy the hype, sell the news. Basically, is what's happening here, right? So that looks really good, and here goes a push for $3, and there it is, 321 $3. So that's looking really good for anybody that's in that. Um, Perfect. Thank you, Grim. Maybe a bit too late. Okay, looks good. So if you are in that, guys, congratulations, because that thing looks nice. So um, yeah, some volume going over to that one there. Na 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 na. Okay, perfect. Anybody holding that's in the chat? So yeah, so again, that 285 and then your $3 is your next resistance up there. Cool. Getty, yeah, it looks like it's trying to consolidate again here, Yogi. The volume really needs to follow through though. Rime again, hopefully locking some gains on that, and then the S&P we. Anyways, Spy, we're just gonna leave Spy, let it do its thing, and then go from there. That is cooking though, cooking. 1 second, guys. I'll be back in a second. Just keep watching DATS. Make sure that it keeps going. The DATS is pumping, guys. Yeah. The Trump stock is cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. Hey, Andre. The uh sounds good. You gotta stop that, Yogi? Yeah. Yeah. Mm-mm. Yeah, too much weakness on that. Again, it looks like it's kind of consolidating now though, Yogi, so we'll see. You think so? I don't know where I left it. I left it somewhere. FUBO. FUBO. Yeah, my charts are still taking forever to load. But yeah, it looks like it's curling. If it can find a way to break above 605, then yeah. And then on to 640, 630, 640 Azul. Oof, that is cooking. That is cooking, guys. The dad said, "Let me cook, please. Let me cook, please." If you're holding dads, type in yes in the chat. If you're holding dads, type in yes in the chat. There goes brand new highs of the day on that candle. Even though it didn't close above it, still a nice push though. Very nice. No, 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 no. Okay. Yep, you just got in now. Okay, be very careful, please. Though, if you're buying just now, be very careful, please, 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 please. Right. If you're a new member, right, please make sure you spend some time in the education channel watching stuff, because that'll help you look for entries, right? Because that's not an entry. If you're just buying now, that's not an entry I would take. But then again, we talked about this yesterday, right? So this morning would have been nice as it was consolidating, right? And then boom, skis. So good job, Sam. And then HOTH guys, again, when a stock is stalling like that, you want to be very careful. Momentum stocks are meant to go, right? Momentum is meant to go. Like I always like to remind people that when you're playing with a stock that has momentum, it's because you're playing with retail, right? So you really need to understand that retail psychology. So when people see that a stock is not stalling, they tend to panic. Like momentum means go. How come it's not going? Okay, let me sell it, right? So whenever you see a stock stalling like that, after especially after a run, you want to be a little bit cautious. As a short position, Paul, that's not a bad short, right? Resistance, stalling. So good job. Good job. Okay, moving on. Let's go back to DATS because DATS is looking good. So landscapes, you're probably green in your position, right? Or you were. Okay, it just seems to be going back and forth. Um, hopefully it breaks above, like hopefully it breaks out here though. 340 and then 350. Yeah. Hopefully it breaks out. But yeah, again, when you see stalling like that, you always want to be careful. You want to be careful. Ooh, Lord just made $400, guys. He just sold DATS at 335. 335. So, and there goes DATS with a bit of a sell-off. What about Rhyme? Kalana, what's your position? Again, whenever you have a question, guys, always let me know. Like I'm in this position at this price, so I'm looking for an entry. Again, that thing did really well, right? The entire time, and then it stalled, right? And then now people are taking profits. So I don't know where are you in a position? Are you looking for a position? Let me know, right? So whenever you see a momentum stock stalling at the same price, you want to be very careful. At the very least, put a stop loss at that point because that might be a sign that okay. You do a scam. Was doing great before you guys showed up. I knew it was you guys. Well, I mean, let's make monies, right? Daily driven Mustangs. We just want to make monies. That's it. That's it. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding, by the way. So if you look at XTI, let's teach you a bit of a lesson, right? Let's look at let's look. It's taking forever to load. This is a bit ridiculous, but okay, there we go. So the volume on this thing is 1.45 billion. Okay, okay. The volume is 1.45 billion. Do I need to say anything else? Okay. You think that's us? I wish it was us. And also, we never really played with this thing. Today, the only thing that I've scalped is HOTH, right? And then we looked at that because we posted it already. and then we looked at RIME, right? Because RIME was on fire. But other than that, really, it's yeah, I haven't really played with XTIA. It's probably Rob, exactly, Grim. I don't know what happened to Spy, but Spike and sockets, Spike and sockets. Yeah, looks like we're not gonna break 600 for 6 months. So you're fine. But damn, you could have went to 30 cents. No, that's okay, daily. If you made monies, that's okay, right? Congratulations. The goal is to make monies. I don't know, Rob. I don't know. I think come on, Grim. We need more scalpies. I'm looking for more scalpies. Mm-mm. Hmm. Yogi, and then it went back up, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Exactly. There it is. Yeah, it just looked like it was consolidating at the bottom there again at 217, right? 217, 220, and then boom skis 317. Sorry, right? Yeah, we needed to go up, Joe. We needed to go up. Yeah. So, um, again, this is why, yeah, a bit annoying, Yogi, but yeah. So some consolidation there, and then it's retesting that previous double bottom. So let's see if it actually breaks. 315, right at the order too, Yogi. That's frustrating. That's just annoying. Yep. It won't consolidate properly. Yeah, just give it time, Alan. Right, especially since they did an offering, so it might need a bit of time for them to close that offering first. You know what's pumping again, guys? HOTH. We're back to the highs of the day. What an absolute beauty! What a beauty this chart is. Absolute beauty. Look at this, right? We initially had this level we were watching at the open, right? This was the support, so that was beautiful. So we got in, right? Look at that breakout right there. Look at this pivot on the left hand side. Look at the breakout right here. And then look at the retest of the breakout. Beautiful, right? Now look at the next breakout right there, right? Next breakout, then look at the retest, kinda, right? And then boom skis, new highs of the day. So that chart looks really nice. Now, if it wants to keep going, though, it needs to close above 290. Needs to close above 290 and keep cooking there. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Love it. Yee, monies. Why do traders go from fun tech stocks to boring pharma stocks? People just go to wherever has the momentum, daily driven Mustangs, right? I don't think I don't think it's more of it's just wherever the volume is going to, people will move in that direction, regardless of whether it's a tech stock or a pharma stock. People just want to make money. So that ran 340. Hopefully you sold that thing, right? Landscapes, like I said earlier, that's not an entry I would be taking. Why? Because it's just not an entry I would take. I don't buy stocks when they're just sitting at random highs, right? There's just not something that I do. Um, so for now, let's see if it dips and consolidates. Maybe this is just a breakout retest, right? And then we go again. But maybe we go again. You did? You got back in? Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's about to break $3 there. $3. It's a very nice push. Very, very nice push. Yeah, my broker is still super slow today for some reason. There goes a $3 breakout, guys. $3 breakout. See if it's still in this. Did you get in for the third time, Grim? Did you get in again? Okay. Small scalpies? Okay, love it. Love it. Love it, love it. Okay. What's Getty doing? Failing? Yeah. Rime looks like it's kind of consolidating. FUBO could not break out there as well, right? That 605, it couldn't do it. So then it came back down. The S&P looks like it needs to be thrown in the garbage. Bitcoin is below 98. I don't know what happened today, but something happened. I don't know what happened, but something happened. Cause that's a pretty nasty dipski. Okay, perfect. BABHIT. I'll take a look. Yeah, Zach. Yes, please. Yes, please. Do, do. Oh, I see why that is. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. My goodness, so slow today. Okay, there we go. Okay. BHAT. Oh, 10 cents. Okay. Blue hat. We need to pull up the daily chart here. Super slow. It's loading. Taking forever though. Taking forever. Okay. Sounds good. 10 cents. Is that the all-time low to ye at 8 cents there? Hmm. And then they did that offering. Does that say 21 hours ago? $4.4 million offering. Announces receipt of okay, so that was September though. It was a long time ago. What price did they sell these shares at though? My goodness, even the articles take forever to load. Ridiculous. Why is it taking forever? Goodness. Fill the gap. Yeah, I think okay, they raised yeah, so 55 million shares, $4.4 million at 8 cents. Okay. It would be good though to for them to like complete that offering, which the stock is off 14% today, so yeah, it would be a good time for them to start pumping it. Yeah, I think at the very least, as long as it stays above like the low of today, like 9 cents, I think it should be okay. 10 cents too, very good. Yeah, 8 cents. Yeah, DATS is not stopping though, so we go, we go, we go. 317. HOTH, HOTH, HOTH. Okay. $3.10. When 320, guys. Yeah, an absolute beauty. 280%. Ooh, here we go. 325. My goodness. What an absolute beauty. Absolute beauty. Oh my goodness. My goodness, guys. My goodness. $3.60 for HOTH. Hot, hot. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. $35. Okay. Okay. La 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 la. You got the pop, Jay? Monies. 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 Uh, Perfect. Good. No limit banks. I mean, as long as you've done your research, as long as you've done your research and you're happy with it. What's the float, Messi, for HOTH? 6.7 million, 6.8 bill. Yeah, there goes. $3.70, guys. My goodness. If you're still holding hot, 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 HOTH, type in yes in the chat if you're still holding. Love it. We have a new member. Archer? Yes, absolutely. Give me a high five. High five. Uh, Sub the bus. Welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, Let me see if you guys are actually Kimbella. Ooh, Kimbella cooked that thing. My goodness. There we go. So yeah, so again, sub the bus boss. Just go to the community section on YouTube. There's a link there for you to join us in Discord. Alrighty. You're new. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so there's an invite link for you to join us in Discord. It's under the community section on YouTube. If you can't find it, just let me know. But it's right there. Just click on the link. It's gonna say Discord invite. Just click on the link, follow the steps in the getting started channel, and you should be good to go. Alrighty. Ooh, yeah, that's that was a good curl of the 200 EMA for that's there. Very good curl of the 200 EMA. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, exactly. Zach. Mm, interesting, Kim. SVMH. 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 Micro penny stock. Yeah, 67% on this one. Left for physio was 58, sold it at 271 because I don't like to hold when you can't trade. Happy with that. W daily go. Come on, carry on. Well done. High five. La 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 la. Well done. Yeah, Kimbella definitely cooked on that play there. Cook. Love it. Okay, let me go back. Ah, beautiful. Love to see the gains. They're saying that EYEN is the next. What's the deal there? Yeah, there's a lot of hype on that one, right? Lots of hype on that thing there. Did you get into this one, LT? Yeah, off that 200 EMA, that was the entry price, so 260 ish. Now it's sitting at the kernel at 285, so you're gonna have a bit of resistance there for that. Dang, Rhyme went from like 34 cents all the way to 2022. Yeah, get rid when it's not working, get rid of it. You might have a bit of support at 21 cents ish for Rhyme. Just be careful. Bob CERO, yeah, CERO has a lot of hype. It kind of feels like it's a penny stock day, doesn't it? Well, obviously not with DATs and well, I mean technically they're all penny stocks. Anything below $5 is a penny stock. So there goes $2.90 for DATs. $2.90. You did? D? Monies. Monies. There we go. FUBO? FUBO. FUBO, FUBO. Do. Come on, people. Yeah, guys. Don't forget to smash a like. What are we waiting for? Smash a like, guys. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. You're gonna miss out. A good re-entry. So again, closer to 21 cents seems to be the level, right? Landscapes, just because that's what it did this morning. So the closer you are to 21 cents, the better. The closer, again, it's in that demand zone now. Green zones are better, right? Which is a good thing. So look to the top, right? So don't quite have one up there, but yeah. So again, closer you are to 21 cents, the better, right? But this level is not bad. Just make sure if that thing breaks below 2080, it might be done for the day. Alrighty. If that thing breaks down there, it might be done. Yeah, no, SPY puts should be printing monies. Printing monies. That's get back above $3 already. Okay. That was actually a really good dip. For anybody that was waiting for that was a really good dip. Right to the 200 EMA. Right down there. To the magical white line. Beautiful. Rhyme looks like it's trying to bounce, but still really at the same price. And then you have a bit of a supply zone now for HOTH at 380. $3.80. That wants to break out there though, doesn't it? Trying to. Can I check the daily on Spicy? Okay, yeah. Absolutely. Spy looks nasty. You're looking at the daily, you said? For head and shoulder? It's loading. See what's happening with Spy though, guys? Did we talked about this yesterday, right, Grim? I think that's the level we talked about yesterday. Maybe it was just on stream. I think it was on stream. I feel like I did all of these circles. Maybe it was on stream. But look at the S&P though. SPY is just going up and down now. Like it's just a range. Right? Like there's nothing crazy happening. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down. Right? So I can see exactly what you're looking at for head and shoulder, right? So you can see the head in the middle, guys, right? So that's the head in the middle. This is the left hand side shoulder, and then this is the right hand side shoulder failing there. So that's what Arch is referring to. There is a head and shoulder on the S&P. You can use that right hand shoulder as resistance when you buy your puts, right? So all of that resistance right there for SPY, right? So you can use that right hand shoulder for resistance for puts. At the same time, though, like to me, head and shoulder is the confirmation will really come when we break below this bottom. Like if we break below this bottom on SPY is gonna pray. SPY is gonna wish that it was in the slums of South Africa because that thing will get entered. So for now, though, it's just going up and down. I think people are not quite sure what's going to happen with tariffs, right? What's going to happen with tariffs? Like, what's Trump going to do once he gets into office, right? Like, are we going to cook? Is he going to start attacking other countries? Blah blah blah. So the market doesn't know. So the market's just going up and down now, right? We're bouncing off that famous 585 support level. We're also just failing below 600. 597 to 600 were failing. So right in between that range they were failing, and then we're bouncing above like there you go, Archer, right? So 585, below 585, right? We're bouncing above that range then. So again, like I said, I think the markets are just confused, honestly, right? So for now we just watch and see what happens, you know. I again, I don't think this is like, I don't think we have red flags in the market yet, though. No red flags in the market, but we're just range bound for now. If I look at the 4 hour time frame, though, we might get a bit more data. Yes, yeah, it was below. So it was below the. I'm just waiting for it to load here. Yeah, same resistance. So you can tell there's still a bit of room to the downside, but honestly, SPY is above 590, so not overly concerned yet. And then that is retracing. Retracing. RIME is bouncing, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Did you get into RIME landscape? So again, RIME is doing the exact same thing, right? The closer you are to 21 cents for RIME, the better. Why? Not because of any magic numbers, just because it's done that already, right? So RIME just went from below 22, closer to 21.50, all the way back to 24.50. Right. So again, the green zones are a good level, right? When you see green, it means monies, right? So I don't know if RAM is going to go all the way back up to 30 cents, so I doubt it. But for now, though, it is holding that level. So as long as it keeps holding that level, that's not a bad thing. Okay. A market because it hasn't dealt with the debt. La 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 la. I agree, Driven. I agree, Mustangs. Um, the markets will always look for like something that seems a bit uncertain. Did you get in landscapes? Okay, well done. Congratulations. Make sure you pay yourself though, right? Don't go red. Right? I bet you that little move right there just you got in at 23 yeah, you again, like I said earlier, right? The closer you are to 21 cents, the better, right? Now you're hoping that it breaks out. Because this area around 24.50 is going to be resistance. So it's just like when we had COVID, right? When we had COVID, right? We had the Russian war, we had Israel, we had all of these things that happen, right? The market reacts to those things initially, and then it says, "What? Who cares?" And then we go up, right? There's always that uncertainty when it's not sure what will happen, but then after a certain, we just don't care anymore. So the reason why we're confused now is because we don't quite know what's going to happen. Uh, because you have to follow the channel, you have to follow the instructions, and then the channels will open. So go to the getting started channel. The second last video shows you how to connect your YouTube to Discord, so it opens all the channels for you. And then the very last video explains all the channels, like this happens in this channel, this happens in this channel, this happens in this channel. So you just need to like take some time and go through all of that stuff. Goal monies. Monies. Yeah. So FUBO, yeah, FUBO finally broke out, right? So yeah, high of the day is at 635 still. Yeah, is HOTH debt? Uh, what's your position as sub bro? What's your position? The answer to that question is no, not quite yet, right? But that doesn't mean you just jump in or you diamond hand your position. You still need to have a plan. please. Spy? Oh Lord, what's happening? Oh Lordy. Wait, my computer isn't plugged in. Am I plugged in into anything? Oh, Spy's gonna go from red to green again, huh? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Red to green virus in a few minutes. Oh, okay, interesting. Oh, spy, spy, spy. Confused, confused, confused. Yeah, no, FUBO looks good. It looks like it wants to break out now. Azul. FUBO, 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 FUBO. Love it. Love it. The people in this community are priceless, Archer. Um, ah. So yeah, I just watched for that double top at around like $6 and 36.35 for FUBO. uh, Rob, here it goes. At least at the very least that means I won't need a FUBO membership anymore. I can save my $70. No more FUBO memberships. You know, because then I can get Peacock. Anyways, uh, we get to keep the Canadian dollar. Well, actually, well, I don't know. Anyways, no, 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 no. You're more of a buy and hold. Was a great one day hold. Better luck holding notable names. It seems, yeah. Oh, that'll always be the case, right? Yep. What green zone indicator do you use? I use the predictive ranges zone. I use this wonderful indicator that once you use it, you never need to use anything else. Wall Street, it's called the bull bear algo, right? So once you use it, there's nothing. You don't need to do anything else, right? Nothing else ever, right? So these are the green zones at the bottom, right? Green zone off the 200, beautiful. Look at that. Now we're in the supply zone, right? Beautiful. We have another new member, guys. It's time for you. It's time for Africa. Zaminamina. I don't know why that comes to mind. But anyways, it's time for you. You signed up for the wrong level, by the way. So you again, please don't sign up for the levels that say sold out. You need to sign up for the level that says legend or goats. One of those are the only two available levels. So legends and goats only. Alrighty. So make sure you can just go back and upgrade though. It's so go to Discord. If you are a member, go to Discord. There's a channel called the Bull Bear Algo. That channel has all the instructions in there. Alrighty. Because if you search it, you won't be able to find it. This is for it's only an indicator for the members in Discord to be able to get. Alrighty. Yeah. Be safe, Mustangs. Let's go, King. Yeah, absolutely. So yep, yep, yep. Yeah, it looks like Fubo is kind of double topping for now, but it's still trending up. So it might just break above that level like now Azul. What an absolute beauty though. Wait. Let me go back. Oh my wait, what? See? Like Spy really is confused. Right? Like we're going up for no reason, going down for no reason. Why? Because there's not a reason to be crashing in the first place. You know? It's not a reason to be crashing in the first place. And perfect. Yes. Trying to as well. Just opportunities, exactly. Exactly. There's no reason for the markets to be crashing. There's no reason for the markets to be pumping, you know? Joe is just busy scalping. Joe, are you in? Are you in? ES. And then 2 seconds later, we're gonna be back to 590 again. Ridiculous, isn't it? In less than 5 minutes, it was great. Let's go, virus. I need to go. I haven't been to the options cooking lab today. Ooh wee, love it. $300, monies. $1,900, Captain. Ooh, look at Captain cooking virus. Look at HOTH pop of that green zone at the bottom there. So 310 and then pop. What an absolute beauty. What an absolute beauty. That thing looks good with the levels. Like really good. How's your B hat position doing, Yi? Yeah, testing at the very least. So resistance at $3.80. Yeah, 380 resistance, bro. I was up. I don't know what to say, right? I don't know what to say to that, Samir. Right? If you're up $6,000 on a momentum stock and you hold it into the next day, and you're like, I'm down, then there's really nothing for me to say. You know. So HOTH just double topped again, 380 resistance ish, red zone, right? Look at the green zone at the bottom. Look at the red zone at the top, right? So top bottom, you buy the green zone, you sell the red zone sometimes, most of the time. And then DATS is still just playing around here for now. RIME still looks okay just because it's holding that 21 cents. And then FUBO also failed that resistance, right? Again, double top, $6.30, back down to retest $6, 610 ish. The S&P on drugs. Yeah, I don't know. Like to be up like $6,000 and then be down is like you lost all of the money. So what? Hopefully not, right? Hopefully you didn't lose all the monies. But if that's the case, then it's just honestly at that point it's just greed, you know. CERO today kind of seems like a penny stock there. I went up. I went, but you sold it. Yeah, I think you just have to understand what you're playing with, right? Like these names are momentum names, so make the monies and move on. Uh, or HOTH. Dang, yeah, yeah. Those candles move really quickly, there, King. Very quick. Hmm. And DATS looks like it wants to push back for $3 again. Maybe again, especially with Trump speaking soon. Maybe the stock will benefit from that. Maybe it'll benefit from that. There it goes. So when the leader of the country decides to resign, like who runs the country at that point? I feel like I should know this because this is. But anyways, who runs the country? Why don't they just have like an election like immediately? You know, unbelievable. Ah, no, for you guys, the VP, yes. I don't know if we have a VP though, Jericho. That's what I'm asking, right? Because for the states, it's pretty easy. Exactly, virus. Honestly, usually Kelvin, usually around like 9 a.m. Eastern time. Usually 9 a.m. to 9:10 Eastern time. So here comes War Machine. Yeah, do it. Uh, Yeah, absolutely virus. Ridiculous. What a shame. Anyways, let me not get into politics. Yeah. Why are you buying one of each though, Eric? Why? Ah. I'm gonna save that one as my favorite gift. Ah, I like it. Ah, anyways, dang, Fubo said, you know what, guys? I give you a cup and handle. New highs of the day. Fubo looks nice. I don't know. Kings in the cave. Seriously, Mustangs. That's why I'm asking because I don't know if there's some random dude or lady ready to run when yeah. Anyways, whatever. Whoever runs the country, we cook just like we always have. So it is what it is, huh? Wait, what? Wait, what is that? I'm waiting for that thing to load, but it's not loading. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Grim? Wait, Grim's done? About an hour before bedtime. Okay, sounds good, Grim. Much love. Congratulations today. Well done. Um, get some rest and see you later. Alrighty, Grim. See you later. Are you asking because you're looking for position or what, Kelvin? Again, I always want to know where you're coming from when you ask a question, um, just so we're on the same page. Grim, are you still here? Just looking at this one here. Take a look at uh, the volume isn't crazy though. It's not really unusual volume. I'm not sure why it behaves like that. But take a look at SL and H. Hmm. Yeah, no, that one just popped on the scanner there. A little volume spike. A little volume spike. Yeah, SL and H. Okay. You're in at 26 BH. What's your stop loss at? Because you bought that thing at 26 cents and you just diamond handed. What's your stop loss at? Yes, Bob. Yes, yes, yes. In terms of support though for HOTH, you want it to stay above like 285. $2.85. Hmm. Uh, okay. Nope, 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 nope. Perfect. La 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 la. Trump affiliation news. You like it? Starter. I like it, Grim. Okay, sounds good. I like it. I like it. Your stop is at 21 cents, BH. Okay. Yeah, at that point, there's really nothing to do because that support is closer to 21 cents. Alrighty. So again, that previous level. Let me zoom out here for HOTH. So our previous breakout zone was right there. So resistance, breakout, retest, right there, right? So yeah, closer to 285 sub, bro. Yeah, as long as it stays above it. Much love, Grim. Peace. Later. Okay, there we go. Yes, Bill. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Mm, 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 mm. Absolutely. Okay, who do I have one-on-ones with today? Let's see. So again, that was your retest, right? For HOTH retest and then curl. So then your next resistance is like 315, 320. So not too far away. Pending events, upcoming events. Okay. Uh, okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Uh, s- yeah. Oh, I see. Do, do. I'm just looking. I'm just looking at some swings here. Just looking. Just looking. Okay, perfect. Is anyone in Discord from here? Everybody that's has a green name is in Discord for the most part. So let me send you an invite because I don't think you have it. Yeah, I don't think you have it because I don't see that you've clicked on it. So again, Sub has the boss. This is your invite. So click on that invite at the bottom of the chat there. Oh, this is gonna make me do work just to send an invite. So uh, click on this invite at the bottom of the chat. That's your Discord invite. So click on that link, Sebas, right? And then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. And then you should be good to go. Ready? Should be good to go. So that link from Hot Trades. Click on that link and then follow the steps. There goes B hat for you Yi. That looks nice. So that was a good shout, closer to 10 cents there for this one. So that's yeah, there you go, perfect. I see that you clicked on the link now. So click on that link, follow the steps in the Getting Started channel, right? Again, the second last video helps you connect to Discord. The very last video shows you all the channels and where to be, what to do, blah blah blah. Yeah, you're in now. You just need to follow the steps to unlock all the channels already. So you just need to connect. There goes Yi. That's looking good. Looking good. Hmm. Perfect. Looks like HOTH is still holding that same level, right? So for those of you guys that were asking, HOTH, where to buy, where to buy? Well, it came back down again to 285 and then bounced back to $3. So that same zone there is holding. Okay, sounds good, Sebas. Perfect. Perfect. Let me take a look. ZYBT. It's an IPO. China. Oh yeah. Dang. I think IPO'd and said, let me cook. Not bad. These IPOs are always hard to manage, but hard to read. True, true, true. Mm. Always hard, and they skip a lot too, which is scary, scary, scary. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. CERO it's at the highs of the day now too. Yeah. Why am I not surprised? That thing had way too much hype, way too much volume this morning. FUBO popped a little bit and then came back down. Azul, did you sell it? Yeah, perfect. Uh, the Mustang says for the rest of the month, if you guys do great, I'll consider joining two portfolios. One la 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 la. Yeah, yeah, that's yeah. That is up to you. I wish I could just like pull out the channel, and show it on stream. Yeah, it's always complicated to share like Discord channels. Virus. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I think driven Mustang is gonna spend more money on other stuff that's not important. But The stuff that's actually gonna make him monies, he's gonna wait a month. That's okay though. That's okay. Either way, we will be making money, so we don't really, it's not a problem. It's not really a problem for us. So not going to make commitments. Oh, okay, you're traveling. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Mustangs. Sounds good. So that was a good scalp today. HOTH was a good scalp today. BHAT still looks good there for ye. FUBO is just playing games for now, but it's a really good scalp because it just coming back and like it's playing really nicely with the levels. You can probably be in and out of that thing multiple times if you needed to. The S&P, let me pull up SPY again here. It broke supply. Okay. Let me look at again. We've mentioned CERO so many times today, right? Um, and it looks good. CERO looks very good, right? So again, congratulations if you are in this one. Because yeah, it's up 84% now. That was a really good breakout too, actually. Very good breakout. Very good breakout. Breakouts are fun, and I like when it's a breakout and it's a retest. Another thing you could do, guys, is um, if you're not sure what to do when it comes to like breakouts, right? So for example, look at this, right? That's resistance, mid lower resistance, right? If you're one of those people where you're like, oh, every time I buy a breakout, it crashes on me, right? So sometimes like just leave it, let it go, and then come back to retest the breakout. And if it's curling back above the 9, that's a good thing, right? So again, clearly this is resistance, right? And then guess what happens when it broke out? It broke out right there, and then it came back to retest it, and then it curled, right? And then after that, what happened? Boom skis, right? So sometimes you can just do stuff like that instead, right? So breakout, retest, boom skis, right? Now CERO is up 100% and cooking, right? So if you're holding CERO, type in yes in the chat. I think Bob is holding the CERO. How do you shake the FOMO on the way down? FOMOing on the way down? How do you FOMO on the way down? You paper trade it instead. If you're feeling FOMO, paper trade. There it goes. 103%, 105. Uh, 106. Make sure you pay yourself on the way up on that thing, though. So actually, there's this. Okay, January 25th. CERO is gonna do a split. So this is just a pump and dump for now, right? They have actually no. They have a split on when tomorrow. CERO is gonna split tomorrow, by the way. So make your monies, get out of there, right? Make your monies and get the hell out of there. It's up 120% now. Beautiful. So they have a split coming tomorrow. At some point it's gonna. Pew! Uh, Perfect. Phew. MCVT. What's your position in MCVT? Let me know. Can you give me some insight on MCVT? What's your position in that play? Oh yeah, no. If a stock is going to split, yeah, and it's running, yeah, make sure you make your monies before the before you get into the close, right? Don't want to be holding a bag, and then you go from from 15,000 shares to 150 shares, right? So really good play though, really good play again. Look at that, right? So resistance, 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 breakout, lots of volume, right? 240 million shares traded today. So again, what I really like about this was the breakout and the retest right there. And then boom, 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 boom. Here comes 10 cents though, right? So that 10 cents, I bet you, will be your strongest resistance for now. Really good push. AO Fresh Radio. When you get a moment. Okay, sounds good. Tim, are you on stream? Let me know if you are, and then I'll take a look on stream. 10 cents, guys. 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. 10 cents broken, guys. Woof. Yeah, that slows look good. Tim, okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Okay. So 10 cents again, pretty good level, right? Mount Rushmore there, only Trump's head. Trudeau gave it to us. No, Trudeau ran and left us. He ran and left us. Like I'm kidding. Okay, so Tim was asking for SVMH when you get a moment. Tim, let me know if you are in a position though, please. Pretty please. Okay. SVMH. Dang, I didn't think data center plays are going to be hot. By the way, that's the reason for that play. IE. Yeah. So Tim, let me know. Okay. Yeah. It looks like you have it looks like it's been trending up, creating higher lows, but then it looks like you have resistance at 8 cents, 820. So, looking for possible entry. Volume look decent to you? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, at this price, Tim, what I'd be looking for is I'd be looking for like closer to this price, right below, so like 670, or I'd be waiting for this level to be broken, right? When it's sitting right here like that, to me, that's way too dangerous. Because look at what it's doing, right? It's starting to trend down, right? So again, it's already at 7 cents, right? So again, closer to like 670, 650. There it goes, right? It's about to break below 7 cents. It's going right for that level, right? It's going right for it, which is what you want, right? So again, you want to look for closer to the bottom of the range, or you want to wait for the top of the range to be broken out. In the middle like this, danger. You're asking for violence. Violence. Uh yeah, SLNHIE. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Reverse splits suck. Absolutely. That looks amazing though. That looks amazing. Damn, it's back almost back. It's almost back to the high. It actually made brand new highs there. Damn. Mm, perfect. Uh, Unlock. Mm, uh, there you go. Tim, yes. Yes, yes. Money for entry. Let's go, Tim. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. And funny enough, we came right to 6-8. 6-8, and then we're bouncing. Hey yo, Richie Morningstar. Hello, hello. Fresh Radio, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? So yeah, that looks good. HOTH. There does seem to be a bit of consolidating at 370. So who is asking? Sub bro. I don't know if you're in a position again. Let me know, please. Alrighty. Back in the day, explain, just get in, and if you he tell you to get out, no explanation. Yeah, I mean, again, you can with Mustangs, you can tell by the fact that we were on here streaming and educating and stuff like that, that maybe we want people to learn, and so yeah. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. I'm just looking at some of these other swing plays here. Open S1, criminals ready to go is what they're doing. How much cash do they actually have though? So there goes HOTH, right? Bouncing off 270. So a bit of consolidation and then a pop. Hmm. They actually do so 35% insider holdings, $10 million in cash. Not sure what their burn rate though is. So they almost have as much, like half of the money in cash as they have a market cap. So I'm not sure why they have that open S1. They have just as much money in the bank just as they do cash, as they do shares. But okay, thank you. There you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 28 months. Yeah. So I don't know why they have that, but again, maybe they're just ready to go, just like the criminals always are. Do you have like la 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 la? Yeah. Why I did so much? No, I haven't really looked at that, Richie. Not today. Have not looked. So there goes CERO, guys. Right, 10 cents for CERO, and then a sell off. Hopefully, you guys took some profits around 10 cents, especially for a name that's splitting tomorrow. Right, so when it's pumping like that and it's at a key level, maybe it's time to lock in some gains, right? At least something, and then you can deal with the rest however you see fit. Blue hat is looking really good though, so that was a good shot from right, from 10 cents almost to 12 cents. So blue hat is looking very nice, very very nice. uh, okay, perfect. Release to offer and resell. Okay, resell by la na 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 na. All the permitted transfers about na, 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 okay. Um, yeah, Richie, maybe is it an OTC stock, or like is it a micro penny stock, something like that? Trump says interest rates are far too high. I like it. Yes, yes. I mean, someone Jerome Powell doesn't know that though. Someone doesn't know that. Somehow the Fed doesn't know it. Damn virus! Did you send him a? Did you send him a this girl on fire for captain? Wait, what? Is Tesla down to 395 again? Oh, Tesla's garbage. Unbelievable. Micro penny stock, it's cheap. Yeah, yeah. That's probably why it's up so much. Where do you find the information on splits? Fresh Radio. It tells you on it again. You can search it on Google. If you search up the stock, it also tells you on TradingView. Or come join us in Discord. Come join us. What time is it? Okay. Looks like DATS is retesting here again. Retesting. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. We're going to hop off in like 20 minutes or so, guys, right? So we have a bit of time. But we're going to hop off and continue yapping in Discord, right? Or continue spamming Discord. So if you're not a member yet, come join us because you're going to miss the rest of the vibes. Going to miss the vibes. We're going to go without you. La, 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 la. Hmm. Okay. Volume doubled basically. The markets are closed the 9th, yeah. So Thursday. Markets are closed on Thursday, guys. NVIDIA is more so by the hype saw the news. I think Virus mentioned that yesterday. So NVIDIA had, did you get in on this thing, Tim? I hope you did. Because that thing did exactly what we wanted it to do, right? Or what you wanted it to do, right? So look at that. It came all the way down to that bottom demand zone, right? Look at it now. It's going all the way back up. Why are markets closed on Thursday? Jimmy Carter funeral, or I don't know how they phrased it, but sounds good. Sounds good. Mustangs. You did 680. Love it. There you go. 8 cents. It's testing highs of the day now. Beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's see if it breaks out for you though, Timmy. And then yeah, we can sing the Timmy song for you. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy Turner. La 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 la. That needs to be a virus workout song. Virus, go search it up. Timmy Turner rap song. Morning and some of oh, okay, King. Okay, thank you. Why? What happened? Because of Tesla? Oh, funny. And should be yeah, seriously, Mike. Seriously. Still holding half the bag? Beautiful. That's a perfect trade for you. A plus. I ordered mine. uh, here we go. There it goes. It just made brand new highs of the day. SVMH. Beautiful. Beautiful looking chart. Beautiful looking chart, Tim. Highs of the day now. Okay, beautiful. Scroll. Okay, copy. Whew, that thing is cooking. SVMH 85% now. 85%. Ayo TK, how are you? So now take a chance. Well done, love it. Uh, just to tell you, thumbs up for the Timmy Turner song. Let's go, TK. Let's go. I like that song. Yeah, it's a vibe. What is it called though, TK? Do you know? What is it called? Maybe Virus can search it up and work out to that song because it's yeah. Ayo Tesh. Ayo Ayo. Let's see. Okay. Um. Oh, Designer. Yeah. Timmy Turner by Designer. There you go. There you go. Virus. It is Donald. It is. Firepoke. Okay, sounds good. Good vibes. Later. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Have a wonderful rest of the day. True, true, true. So let's go, Virus. 3 cents. 3 cents. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that thing was like right below 2 cents at the very lows. Yeah, just make sure that they don't get delisted at some point, though. Yeah, you can honestly just take out your initial investment and just take out more than that and still have monies in there. And then FUBO since 190, yeah, FUBO's been a nice swing. Congratulations on FUBO. FUBO. And it looks like DATS, right? DATS came back for the retest of that $3 level, and it's kind of holding it for now. For a dead cat bounce, very nice TK. That's a really sweet entry. Very nice entry. Okay. Hmm. Love it, TK. Mm, okay. Symbol. Okay. And then, okay. Na, 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 na. Ideas. Okay. Mm. I'm just reading up on some of this rubbish here. Okay. Best trade you made this year, Timmy? Yeah, let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, that was a perfect trade, right? Perfect trade. Well done. And I'm glad you took some monies off that thing too, because again, it's a penny stock, pump and dump, right? Probably. And did you find the one by designer virus? It's a remix. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, maybe you need to find the remix then. Mm, 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 mm. 860 near the top. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay. Offering a 2.7 million. Yeah, at some point they're gonna drop it. Yeah, at some point. Rejection 20 SMA of a spy. Okay. Yeah, Virus is looking as well. There goes 320 for Dats. Dats is beautiful now too, isn't it? Beautiful. Here we go. $100. King, not bad. We take $100 every day of the week. Do, 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 do. Every day of the week. Looking for a re-entry. Okay, sounds good. Is that the low of the day? Mm-hmm. Okay. What's your take on its downtrend, Tosin? TX. Let me take a look. What are you in it, Tosin? No, no, no. X. Well, what do we? Someone look at this chart and tell me what they think. Someone look at this chart on in the thing and tell me what I hate the most about this stock. Tell me what I hate the most about this. And I mentioned this earlier too. Thank you, King. Right. So again, to me, sometimes people look at these things and they diamond hand them. Thank you, Spencer. Right. That's what I hate the most about this is, and we say this all the time. Like once that stock goes below the 200 EMA, to me, I don't like it. I hate it. Right. So all the way from 19 cents. Right. That warning sign was at 19 cents. Guess where it's at now? Right. It's trying to hold 12 cents. So yeah, exactly, right? So when a stock is below the 200 EMA, to me, it's always a massive red flag, right? Exactly, TK. So the only other thing you could do when a stock is below the 200 EMA is when it breaks below the 200 EMA for the first time, maybe don't panic. But when it goes back up to that 200 EMA and now that 200 EMA is resistance, it's done, right? So like right here, let me delete these lines, okay? So you can kind of see what I'm looking at. So like right here, right? Like yeah, we go below the 200 EMA and then we go back above, but then we go. So now this is the red flag right there. All of a sudden, this 200 EMA is now resistance to me. It's Dunskies, right? And especially when it breaks below this bottom right there, double Dunskies, 17 cents, garbage, right? So and then now the only thing that you could be looking at here, Tosin, is that it has a potential double bottom, right? At like 1280. So this is like your final line in the sand. If it can stay above that, good, right? Ayo, John. If it can stay above that, good. If it doesn't stay above this level, probably go into 10 cents. Right. So just make sure you're careful. Alrighty. So again, for now, as long as it stays above 1280, 1280, 1250, you have a chance. If it closes below that level, you might just be headed to the abyss. Again, I'm not sure if you're in a position, so let me know. You're welcome, Tosin. Welcome. How are you, John? How are you? And there it goes again. It's dropping back down, right? So weakness. Everything kind of looks weak. So let's do 5 more minutes, guys. Let's do 5 more minutes, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty, we can hop off and go back to Discord and continue. So again, if you're not a member, make sure you come join us in Discord. Do. Dang, some of these charts are so slow. Busy with work trying to help fundraise money for your new biotech. Oh, okay, that sounds like a sounds like a yeah, so that it sounds fun though. Sounds like a fun project. Can you hold rhyme? Do you not have a stop loss BH? Right? No, never a question. Like, should I hold the stock? Never a question. Right? That's not an acceptable question. Um, you bought this thing at 26 cents, right? 26 cents. It has support at 21 cents ish. Right? It needs to hold that level. So find a stop loss, set a stop loss. I hope it stays above this 21. Alrighty, because if it doesn't, then you have a problem. Alrighty. Top trend, SYTA. Let me take a look. SYTA. What is it doing? Good rally today. This stock used to be the biggest POS, and they've done multiple splits to get it to $9. That's why it says the 52-week range is $885, is because they split it so many times. But it does look good though. Um, not amazing volume, but it looks good. Uh, I don't know, virus. I don't know. It means junk. Junk is what it means. Uh, Drunks. Okay. That looks amazing still though. Pushing for that high again. So again with buy the hype, sell the news. This one is staying around longer because it has that Trump effect, right? So Trump getting into office is a catalyst for this stock. So again, maybe it stays around longer, right? 350 is still resistance though, right? Double top stay at 350. Yeah. On a 5. SPI on halted. Okay. SPI. Halted up. Wrong ticker symbol. Yep. It's actually quite nice. Very nice. Okay. But yeah, I don't know why it's going as well. I'm just looking here. 11:44 is when it signaled in Discord. 11:44. Look at that, guys. Right. 11:44 is when the alert went off in Discord. Right there. Right there. Right. That alert went off in Discord. Again, go back to Discord and look at 11:44. 11:44 a.m. That's when the bot started spamming this thing in Discord at 54 cents. Right. So there you go. From 54 cents and halted up at $1.05, right? That thing is almost doubled from that first alert in Discord. So again, if you're not a member yet, we're gonna hop off in a little bit and you're gonna be missing stuff like this, right? Pretty nice pump. I'm good, John. I'm good. How are you? I mean, asked already, but I'm good. Timothy, yeah, that's a pretty nice pop. Very, very nice pop. Very, very nice pops. There you go. So let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Many times, Timothy. Love it. Yeah. Yeah. Love it. All the info just you just from the yeah, exactly, Azul. Part of the reason, absolutely. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out big time, right? You just saw something that was posted in Discord at 54 cents and it basically doubled, and we didn't really talk about it on stream, right? So if you're not a member, you're really missing out, right? We stream for 2-3 hours a day. The rest of the day, there's cooking happening all over the place. I can with someone before got a few questions now. La, 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 la. Yeah, no. So if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Tosin, if you want to chat like one on one, sign up for the gold level. That gives you one on one access, and then we can chat. Alrighty. If not, just sign up for the legend level. But click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. This link at the bottom there. Become a member. Don't get the sold out levels, please. The sun in my face, it's the light. I was gonna move it, but then I had internet issues this morning, so the this wasn't a big deal because I just wanted to. So now I'm streaming with like not the fiber, but like with the lesser internet, but it's working okay. I didn't think it was gonna work, but let's go, Timothy. Legends. I know, Joe. Yeah, a bit of an issue. As long as it works, exactly. uh, Gonskis. Yeah. Is that other thing unhalted? Yeah, it's unhalted. It actually popped all the way to 114 and then halted down. Azul, thank you. Thank you, Azul. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Yeah, we're going to hop off and let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. Hello to Simon. Hi, Simon. Hello, hello. How are yous? Yeah, so let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we will hop off and continue in Discord. Alrighty. Hopefully you made monies today. If you made monies today, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. DATS is still looking amazing, right? So 86% on that run there. So love it, right? From $2.30 at the open to $3.74 now. So looking good. Just make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Alberto, how is HOTH? Do you have a position? It's looking a bit weaker now, isn't it? So your next support is closer to $2.30. See if 250 holds. If that doesn't hold, then you're looking for 230. Um, already, I say 230, but really 235. So those are your next two support levels. Let's go, D monies. Love it. J? Yeah, no, it's the light. I need to move it to like the other side, or like somewhere else, because otherwise I'm gonna start getting headaches. More the lights. How many cryptos do you hold, Derek? Just one, just one, just BTC. That's it. Just the BTC. Exactly, John. Exactly, just the BTC. Yes. Why is the stock market crashing today? Because the markets are confused. Markets are confused. Can I look at Kava? Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's do that. CV daily chart. Puts in calls and puts in calls. I'm just waiting for it to load, virus. What are you thinking? Bottom? Ooh, right up 110. That doesn't look like a bad chart at all, does it? Like 111? Yeah. You're welcome, Gwendolyn. This is the way. Let me look at the 4 hour. What are you thinking here, though, virus? Like 120 calls or what? That's the 4 hour. I'm waiting for the rest to load because I know there's a level on the left hand side. Yeah, there we go. So you can see that 4 hour chart has that support right there, virus. And this was back in August 29. Well, August, most of August, right? So to the left hand side there, bit of a double bottom. Fast forward to now, that 111 is still doing a good job of like holding. Kind of seems like it's bouncing already, but yeah. Gwendolyn, you are? Let's go. Yeah, come join us. You guys are really missing us. Start your year off on the right path. You can sign up at any point if you want to join Discord. Just sign up for the legend or the gold level. The link is going to be under the community section on YouTube, or send me an email, hottradsx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite. But yeah, virus, if that thing can consolidate, so the 4 hour, the daily look good off that level. Now, if I look at the 15 minutes to see if we're curling, we should be curling off that level, right? Well, I mean, kind of, right? So on what was this? This was December 30 virus. December 30 it came to 111, and then at some point we ended up at like 120, right? And then it came back down to the same spot again. So yeah, not a bad spot as long as it stays above 111 virus. As long as it stays above that level, or if we break below that, then put. Did SPY come all the way back down? Of course it did. Yep, like SPY is just on drugs, pump and discounts, pump and discounts. Okay, good. Alrighty, y'all. Much love, everybody. We're gonna leave it here for the day. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Be safe. We're gonna continue in Discord, so hopefully we can the pumping can continue. Alrighty. And oh, what is that? So again, be safe. Like I said earlier, for HOTH, right? 235-ish, 230, 235. That 200 and the demand zone. Watch that level. Joe, hopefully it's a W. And then boom skis. See you, Joe. Much love, Jericho. Thank you. Gwendolyn later. Baruch later. Flirting with make sure you protect those gains though, right? D, protect those gains, please. Virus and thrust. John, be safe. See you later. Patricia, good job today. See you later. Alrighty. Jay, thank you. See you later. King, see you in Discord. See you in Discord. SPI resume trading. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Alrighty, y'all. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.